Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, November the 15th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. So a lot of puzzles for a day. Anyway, the first one. 9598, and this 3 star Sudoku. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 28 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. Well, 3 digits more should be at 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14-13 minutes. But the publisher has indicated this with the 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about these 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 7. We have a 5 and a 7 in this row, so no 5 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Then we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Need a 9 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 7 here. 7 in this column, last column. 7 in the column X, on that column the only place left is 7. Should be there. 7. Okay, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column X, the only place level 2, should be there. 8 and I need an 8 there, need a 5 there. Come on. 1, 8. Well, in this column we need an 8. These 2 boxes can be an 8 because we have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left, an 8 in this column. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, so we have a 1 here. We have a 3, 2, 4. Wow. Need a 5 here. 5, need a 1. 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 in this row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4, 4. Need a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for 5. Should be there. I need a 1 in this column. Well, these 3 boxes can be 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the one in the third column could be here or there. Here or there. We see another one in this row. No one there. One should be there. I need a 2 here. I need a 6 there. Alright. Come on. 7. Need a 5 here. 5 in the last row. 5 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left of the 3 in this big square should be there. 4, 6, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. And look for 6 and 8 in this row. So no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 2 numbers left now in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2, 9, 2, 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 9 here. Need a 4 there. 2 numbers left now in this column for the numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 in the third row. 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left with 2 should be there. 2 and 9. We have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2, 2. And I need a 7 here. Yeah, we have a pair. The 2 and the 7 in this third column. The 2 and the 7 in the third column. Second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left of the 2 and 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. And look, we have 2 and a 7 in this row. No 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. 2 numbers left now, and then the third column for the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It means 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. Alright, 9, 9. 6, 8, and need a 5 here. No, need a 6, need a 4 here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Need a 3. Need a 6. 3, 6, 8. 6, 6. Let me think. 3 in this row, 3 in this middle row, so the row below, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 6 and 8, we have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left now in the first column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Alright. How about here then? 9, 5. I need a 1 here. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column to be in the middle column. The only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left, a 9 and a 5, 9 and a 5. Okay, 9, 5, and need a 8 here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so they'll come next. Only 2 places left. 8, cube here. Okay. How about need a 6 there. 6 in this row, first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row and only 2 places left. 6, cube here, cube there. Need a 2 here. 2, 2. Need a 1 here. 1, 1, 1, 1. Need a 5 here. 5, 5. Need a 9 here. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. So 2 numbers left now in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left now. The 9 and the 5. 9 and the 5. Let me mark those. Here we have a pair. Here we have a pair also. So the 3 and the 8 are left here. 3 and 8. 3, 8 and a 6. 3. Need a 3 there. Need a 4 here. Yep, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So one row below, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2, 7, 1. Here, 3 missing numbers. 2, 7, and a 1 are missing in this row. We have a 2 and a 7 here. So here can be a 2 and a 7. So 1 digit left should be the 1 then. 1 and a 7, we have a 1 here. So this box should be a 7. 207, we have a 7 here. So this box should be a 2. 207, we have a 2 here. So this box should be a 7. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 here. So this box should be a 1. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 9 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 5 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 3 and the 8. We have an 8 now in this column, so here can be an 8. That box should be an 8. This box should be a 3. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, and the 6. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 6 goes there. Finished in 13 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. Definitely 0 stars. Not the 4, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.